The new week has started with the same sentiment. Traders remain cautious and prefer not to risk. Rising tensions between the United States and China, as well as fears about the state of the global economy during the pandemic, forced traders to shift their attention to gold. The precious metal hit an all-time high. At the same time, we can see that investors' attitude towards the US currency is changing. The greenback is gradually losing its status of a safe haven currency. The US dollar index has hit a two-year low. According to the chart, it's moving towards the level of 93 points. Both the pandemic and the conflict between Washington and Beijing have negative impact on the investment appeal of the US dollar. While the world reports a decrease in daily coronavirus cases, the situation in the US is completely opposite. The number of daily new cases does not fall below 60,000. The US medical community sounds the alarm, calling on Congress and the White House to reimpose quarantine. According to the community, the restrictions should be more severe, like in Europe. The political background also affects the US currency. Republicans and Democrats continue to dispute. The House of Representatives has criticized Donald Trump for his approach to combating the COVID-19 pandemic. Above all, they believe that Republicans prevent the adoption of a $3 trillion coronavirus relief bill, while the US economy is suffering a devastating blow from coronavirus. The number of jobless claims is still huge, and business activity remains weak. Weaker demand for the greenback among investors, as well as the escalating US-China tensions, caused the US dollar to lose ground across the board. During today's Asian session, the dollar-yen pair went below the support level of 105.63. Now technical analysis experts are waiting for a slowdown in the pair's downward movement. There are no signs of reversal. Therefore, the pair is expected to break through the support level and continue its downtrend towards 105.15 and then towards 104.60. The level of 103.80 can be seen as the third target. However, it's hard to say so far whether the price is going to overcome it too. The US dollar bulls have no choice but to hope for the Fed meeting to be held this Wednesday. The greenback is likely to gain ground against the Australian dollar. After an upsurge last week, the pair is currently correcting downwards. Technical analysis experts are waiting for a steeper downward movement from the current levels or from the range of 0.7190, 0.7225 if the price breaks through the level of 0.7075 with a view to reaching the target level of 0.69. The pair's downtrend will be confirmed. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.